Hi, and welcome to 1257 East Lakewood here in Springfield, Missouri. This is located south of Cox Hospital, very close off of South National. It has over 1,700 square feet and 2 master suites. So let's go ahead and come on in and take a look. This is a patio home. It is all brick. And here you will see the living area. This is a nice large home. Here's your living area. It does have the vinyl plank. It does have a one-car garage, as you can see right here. And we'll go ahead and look into this is the dining area right here. It does have some storage under the stairs. Here is the kitchen and the half bath. It's got a half bath here on this floor. Kitchen has your stove, refrigerator, microwave, and dishwasher. Just got a nice big area. Here is your washer dryer hookups right here. It's in a separate room, which is very nice to have. And then we'll go on out into the back and let you take a look at it. Has a nice size deck here. It does have a privacy fenced backyard that you can see right here. And again, it's all brick. Now we'll come ahead and come on back through and let you take a look at the upstairs. And the upstairs also has the vinyl plank flooring. Here is the first master suite. Nice big rooms and walk-in closets. Plenty of storage here. And we'll let you take a look at this bath. It does have 2 full baths on the upstairs. Here's your shower. And we'll come on in and take a look at the other here. Nice bedroom here. And again, this one also has its own bath. This one has the tub shower combo. And it also has the walk-in closet. And there you have 1257 East Lakewood here in Springfield, Missouri. We look forward to seeing you.